Hey guys, welcome to the Anthony Kitchen. I am Kelly Anthony, and today we are fixing up a very popular salad. It's the Fuji apple salad with chicken, and now you can make almost an identical replica at home. This salad is like an explosion of flavors. It's savory, it's sweet, it's crunchy, it's soft. It's quite literally all the things. So it is perfect for lunches, it's perfect for entertaining, and you can even make it ahead and eat on it all week long. The original lettuce mix for this salad has a lot going on. So we're just gonna take that down a notch and go with the basics. So you'll wanna start with romaine lettuce and baby arugula. Now I am very lazy when it comes to lettuce, and I buy mine already washed and dried. So an easy way to cut your lettuce and get it done in a flash is to lay the romaine leaves down stacked one on top of the other. Then you'll just take your knife and run it down the center, and then you wanna cut just bite-sized strips. Perfect. We'll transfer this over to the bowl. I'm gonna do one more round of romaine leaves. Just get them stacked one on top of the other. Run that knife down the center, kind of bunch it up, and then chop. So the romaine is in. Now we're just gonna sprinkle some arugula over the top. Arugula is kind of a bitter green, but in contrast with the sweet tomatoes and the apple chips, it really is a perfect balance of ingredients. Okay, so we've got the base of the salad down. Now, when I'm building a salad, I like to work heavy ingredient to lightest. So clearly lettuce is the base, but now we're gonna move it along to the chicken. The chicken can really be as homemade or store-bought as you want it to be. I always bake my chicken breasts using my oven-baked chicken breast recipe at theanthonykitchen.com. It's really easy. The chicken always turns out tender, juicy, and totally perfect. But if you need a little time-saving tip, you can also use that rotisserie chicken at the grocery store. So the trick here for this particular salad is to slice the chicken as thin as possible. Get yourself a good sharp knife in hand and just make some fine cuts. Almost shaved is what we're looking for. So you really only need one chicken breast for this salad. If you're using it as a make-ahead recipe to snack on all throughout the week, then you wanna go ahead and use two. So we'll use this to top our salad. So let's just switch places here. Get this one front and center. And you just wanna spread it all across the greens here. Perfect. Greens are down, chicken is down. Back to the chopping, but don't worry, there's not that much more involved. So we're gonna go to the red onion. So again, just like the chicken with the red onion, that is a really strong flavor. So you wanna slice it as thin as you possibly can. So the way that I get into an onion, I cut it right down the root. Then I'll take off the tip here. That will help me to get the skin off. So just pull that back. And now we're gonna slice it as thin as we can. And that's enough. You really only need about 1/4 of an onion. And we'll just sprinkle it over the top of the salad. As you can see, the ingredients are dwindling, and now it's on to the tomatoes. I really love those little Campari tomatoes for this salad. I feel like they keep their flavor throughout the entire year, and they're the perfect bite size. You can take the seeds out if you want it to be less bitter. If you can't find Campari tomatoes, vine ripened tomatoes are great. Just make sure you cut them up a little bit smaller. The Camparis, you can get away with just cutting them into quarters. You'll see I'm using a serrated knife for this. Tomatoes can be kind of tricky to get into, and I've found that a serrated paring knife is actually the easiest tool for making those smooth, clean cuts in a tomato. So back to the bowl, we'll add our tomatoes, just kind of speckle them around. The color on this salad is unbelievable. It's really gorgeous and so perfect for entertaining. Next, it is on to the apple chips. So this is Seneca brand apple chips. I think that they have the best flavor, and it's actually what the restaurant uses. So sprinkle on your apple chips. It's onto the pecans. So you can add as many pecans as you like, just add them right over the top. And one of my favorite parts of this salad is the blue cheese pairing with those apple chips. It is absolutely divine. So I've got a block of blue cheese. You can buy your blue cheese crumbled. If you don't love blue cheese, you can leave it out altogether, sub in a feta, whatever you like. You can make this salad your own. So I've got my wedge, and to crumble it, I'm just gonna take my fork and just grate it, and you'll see that those crumbles will start to fall right over the salad. And you don't wanna go too crazy with blue cheese because it is a strong flavor. So less, I think, might be more when it comes to this cheese. Check it out, guys. We made it all the way to the end, and now it's time to dress the salad. So here's the deal. I did attempt making this dressing from scratch, and I failed miserably. I think you probably are gonna have to boil apple juice or cider and really get some big concentrated apple flavor. However you do it, I don't really care anymore because now you can just buy it in the bottle. I found this at Target. Probably the other grocery stores are carrying it by this point too. So just go ahead and grab yourself a bottle of Fuji apple salad dressing. Thank you, Panera. And we will just drizzle this right over the salad. Totally, totally delicious. So there we have it, guys. The famous Fuji apple salad with chicken at home. Remember, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe at theanthonykitchen.com for hundreds of recipe ideas and our YouTube channel, The Anthony Kitchen. We'll catch you next time.